Now that we've finished reading Lord of the Flies, we're going to do some writing about it. It's pretty clear that the novel has a lot of important information in it, as well as a lot of significant ideas in it. The topic we're going to focus on is authority and what Golding has to say about it. Here's the assignment. In his novel Lord of the Flies, William Golding strands a plane full of schoolboys on an island. From the beginning of the novel to the very end, we are reminded that there are no adults, no grown-ups to take charge of the young boys. The results of this situation are deadly. For Piggy, the absence of adults is distressing. He expects someone to be in charge of them. Piggy's ability to survive on the island is directly connected to the behaviors adults have taught him. Because of his respect for adults, he becomes the nagging conscience for the other kids. At first, Ralph is excited to be left on the island, but when life on the island gets complicated, he uses Piggy's adult ideas and his own recollections of responsible behavior to guide him. Jack's behavior is not controlled by what he thinks adults would expect. He makes his own rules and ignores the advice of both Piggy and Ralph. He is his own authority. What do you think Golding is telling us about the importance of having authority, parents and other grown-ups, to guide our behavior? How does Golding present his ideas about the power of authority and the importance of being guided? What do you believe about Golding's ideas? If we look at the assignment, Golding asks us to think about adults as authority, people who have rules and who take charge of the young boys. The assignment asks you what you believe about Golding's ideas. Therefore, your task is to think about what Golding is telling us about the importance of authority to guide us and how he tells us this. That means examples of it. What's different about this assignment from others that you have done in school is that you are going to measure your beliefs about Golding's ideas. What do you think about what he's saying? Do you agree with him? Do you disagree? Do you think he has it right? Should he think of something different? And before you do that, you have to figure out what he is saying, what you think he is saying. What do you think? And you're going to do that by thinking over his ideas about being controlled, his ideas about distress, disaster, behaviors, all those things that are happening because there is no grown-up on the island with the boys. As we've discussed in class, authority for Golding means grown-ups. Grown-ups. And for each of the boys, those grown-ups are different. For Piggy, it's his auntie who gives him lots of rules to follow. For Ralph, sounds like his dad, and we're not sure who the grown-ups are in Ralph's life. The second thing about authority is that we know how to use it. How to use authority. For Piggy, it's following and nagging. For Ralph, it's looking to others to help him. And for Jack, he has no idea what he should do or what authority looks like beyond his aggressive behavior. So let's think about what authority means for all of us. So what I would like you to do is I would like you to make a list of the things that illustrate authority for us, for all of us. So let's make a list of some of the things that we know illustrate authority. We have adults, and we have rules, and we have friends, and there are lots of laws that we must follow. All of these illustrate authority in our lives. For some of us, we are able to do it on our own. Sometimes we need a little bit of a reminder, and sometimes we need to be punished. All of these things can be seen in Lord of the Flies. In this first assignment, what I want you to do is take out a sheet of paper or write in your notebook what you think Golding is saying about authority. All the things he might be saying. He might be saying that without rules, no one knows how to behave, that some people can manage without authority and some people can't, or that authority means orders and laws. but the first thing to do is write down as many things as you can think of, and we will review this tomorrow.